So I'm just using good old funfetti that I'm gonna doctor up to make it better. I'm gonna dump my cake mix into a bowl along with some milk, melted butter, eggs, a little bit of yogurt to make it nice and moist. This will make it taste more like the bakery. I'm not sure we have enough sprinkles in here, so let's make it a party. That's more like it. I'm gonna pour the cake batter into my pan and then we're gonna bake it up. And our cake is done. So while it's cooling, let's make our frosting. But it's not gonna be spread on the cake like a normal cake. It's gonna be the glue that holds the cake pop together. So I'm just gonna mix some butter, powdered sugar. It's a messy job, but someone's gotta do it. A little bit of salt, vanilla, and a splash of milk, and cream it all together. But I think it's missing something. More sprinkles. Now here comes the best part. We get to crumble all of this into this bowl. Just rub it against each other like this. So satisfying. It appears that my bowl is too small to transfer this inside. So I'm gonna have to go back and forth, transferring some cake into the frosting, mixing it, and mixing the whole thing back into this bowl. Oh, it is working like glue. And my cake pop might end up being as giant as this bowl. I gotta somehow figure out how to make this nice and round. But let's make our mini one first. Mini foods are always so cute. And the rest, I have to figure out how to clamp into this mold. It would be way more impressive if I could roll it into a giant ball. Oh my gosh, this is pretty giant. I am not sure how my stick is gonna be able to hold this up. But one fail for me equals money for you.